everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, so our last piece of our workshop week is word choice. We're going to take a little bit of a deeper look at how you can enhance and advance your words in your essay to make them powerful. So our learning target is I can enhance my writing by elevating my word choice. And my success criteria is I have made meaningful changes to the word choice in at least 3 sentences in my essay. So we're going to try and narrow 3 different places that you can try one of these things that I'm going to show you to make your word choice just a little bit spicier, okay? So we're going to first use this example. Which one is more entertaining to read? We have option 1. The other magical day I walked to Cook Park. The grass was shimmering green and the sun was illuminating the whole world around me. I could hear kids playing on the playground. Their laughter was like a wonderful melody ringing through the air. That's option number 1. Option number 2, I went to the park. It had grass. Kids were playing. Alright, so you probably know by now. Option 1 is much more entertaining to read. It has sensory detail. It has different images that I'm connecting to, figurative language, all of those things that help me visualize it better. Option 2 is pretty just plain cut and dry, right? Our goal is to have writing more like option 1 when we have the chance. Academic writing is a little bit different, of course, so we're going to take a look here at what we need. Now, I'm not going to play this because you won't be able to hear it on my video, but please go back and watch this clip. This is from Friends, and it is the perfect example of why word choice matters and what our goal is when we're looking at word choice, okay? All right, so, I was going to start playing there. Perfect. So hopefully, guys, you did watch that. You took a moment to go back and watch that when you learned about baby kangaroo Tribbiani, right? So the point of that video is, first of all, it's hilarious, but second of all, when we're looking at word choice, we can't just simply go to the thesaurus and plug words in. That doesn't work. I've tried it, we've all tried it, and it doesn't work, unfortunately. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples here and things to really focus your time on to help you with your word choice. I like to call them spicy words. So every now and then we want a word to just kind of, get your attention. It's exciting, not too spicy, of course, but think about like a dish or a meal that you really enjoy. And when those flavors hit you, you're like, oh yeah, that's some good stuff, right? That's what we want to do in our writing. Every now and then just have a little bit of flavor hit you, okay? So we're not going to make it like Joey Tribbiani's letter. I just love that so much. It's pretty funny. Okay, so guys, what we're going to do is you're going to click on this button, Explore here, and it will take you to this document, which you will make a copy of. I'm going to give you some time. In class, we had 8 minutes. You can give yourself whatever time frame works for you to go through each type of word choice that we have listed here. So figurative language, adjectives, adverbs, verbs that strengthen, and sensory words. There's 5 we can look at. Here you'll notice that there's a definition. There are examples, okay, and you can see in bold what's changed on the example. And then some resources, so some videos that teach you or some notes that might help you for each one that we're looking at. So really, guys, this is an easy lesson today because your job is to go through on your own and look at these different things, all right? Once you have done that, your job is to go back to your essay and try and add at least 3 different places where word choice can work. The last thing that we did together in class was we took a sample sentence and then together just kind of workshopped it. You are going to do that, though, in the examples that you're going to look at on that note sheet, okay? So it's kind of a quicker mini lesson today. Your goal is to use that note sheet to really go back into your essay and see if there's any place that you can make those changes on word choice using one of those 5 things that it teaches you. So use this time to explore, go deeper, use your resources, and see what you can come up with for word choice. All right? Fantastic, guys. Let me know if you need any help. I'd love to workshop any sentences with you that you're struggling on, and happy writing.